Hello friends, I am from Regrob.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are at Elita Garden Vista project which is located in Newtown, Kolkata. The project is opposite to DLF Newtown Heights and Shuko Bisti projects. The project is developed by Sureka, Merlin and JB Group. Now we are inside the project and you can see this is the main entrance gate. The nearby schools to this project are Delhi Public School, Narayana School, and the nearby hospitals are Tata Memorial Hospital, Ohio Hospital, Columbia Asia Hospital. The nearby malls to this project are City Center, Salt Lake Mall, and DLF Galleria. This project is fully equipped with many amenities. Some of the project amenities includes a swimming pool, 24/7 security, power backup, landscape gardens, car parking, gymnasium, and children's play area. The project also have a clubhouse, a jogging track, party hall, and other recreation facilities. This project is approved by many financial institutions for home loans such as HDFC Home Loans, SBI and ICICI. If we talk about the project details, then the project have two phases, phase 1 and phase 2. Currently you are seeing the phase 2 which is under construction and the phase 1 is ready to move. There are total 16 blocks which are carrying up to 33 floors and there will be total 1511 apartments. The phase 1 carries 688 units and the phase 2 has approx 823 units. Now this is the phase 1. You can also see the swimming pool. Now this is the center podium area. You can see the lush green gardens. Our main focus has been laid on the greenery also. That's the swimming pool area. And here is the clubhouse, which is located in the center of the project. And that's the children play area. This is the entry to the podium. You can see it is very well designed. Now we are inside the 3 BHK model flat, which has an area of 1742 square feet units. This is the entrance to the flat, and here we have the dining area. This is the living area, and then balcony is also attached to it. Here is the modular kitchen, you can see. And here is the balcony cum utility area. And this is the washroom attached with servant room. This is the first bedroom of the flat. And this is the common washroom, provided with all the ultra modern utilities. This is the second bedroom of the flat. You can see it is very well designed and very spacious. And here is an attached washroom with this bedroom. And this is the third and the final bedroom of the flat. And a washroom has also been attached to this bedroom. Thank you friends for watching this video. To book an apartment at Elita Garden, you can call us at the given number. And for more real estate updates, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Regrob.com.